I'll show you how to make a quick meat and potatoes lunch in the air fryer. Cut 700 grams of meat into smaller pieces. If you want to watch the video and listen to my original voice, select Serbian audio in the audio settings. I will cut up 5 large potatoes. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will season the potatoes. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I bake potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I will season the meat. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste. I will add dry organic seasoning. How I made it, I will leave you a link in the description of the video. Red sweet ground peppers and olive oil. I'll mix it all up. I add meat to the potatoes. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'll stir. I return the meat and potatoes to the air fryer. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The meat and potatoes prepared in this way is extremely tasty and quick to prepare. It is easy to prepare. And look how it looks. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.